Fangsgiving. It was the fourth Thursday in November, and the monsters gathered for their annual Thanksgiving feast. Everyone chipped in. Virginia whipped up the sweet potato casserole. Sandy mixed the stuffing. Mumford made the cranberry sauce. Of course, Vladimir prepared the turkey. He knew how to cook it just right. Then, out of nowhere, he heard a honk, honk, honk. Uncle Gus, Aunt Bessie, Joey, and Schmoey, what a pleasant surprise. Vladdy. Vladimir loved seeing his family, even when they dropped in unexpectedly. It was a happy reunion. Vladimir invited them inside. Everyone, this is my family. Family, this is everyone. Oh my, what is that interesting smell? Mashed potatoes with garlic. Hiss! Aunt Bessie whipped up another batch, this time with eyeballs and earwax. Uncle Gus inspected the turkey. Of course, he had his own method. Now that is how you cook a turkey. Joey and Schmoey helped Fran make the pumpkin pie, but it turned into lumpkin pie. They just love maggot meatballs. And then there was Spike, who never met anything he didn't want to swallow. Anything. Vladimir loved his family, but they were quickly making a monstrosity of the Thanksgiving feast. Baboon burps, yum. Snail spit makes everything taste good. It needs one more good zap. And they didn't stop there. The bean casserole had 10 sticks of boogie butter in it. The mashed potatoes had a strange look to them, and the biscuits were as hard as headstones. And the turkey, let's just say that Uncle Gus cooked it to death. But because they were family, Vladimir was determined to make the best of it. Okay, everyone, gather round. It's morning already. Could someone shut the window? The sun is burning my eyes. The room went black. Bad idea. Yeah, I can't see anything. Maybe the food will taste better if we can't see it. What's that crunching sound? Somebody turn on the light. And when the light went on, Thanksgiving was gone. Doggone. Spike had devoured everything. For Vladimir, this was the last straw. You ruined Thanksgiving. What do you mean we ruined Thanksgiving? We were only trying to help. Vladdy, you can't be mad at us. We're family. Aunt Bessie was right. They were family. And if Vladimir remembered correctly, family worked together. So he demanded a do-over. They cooked all day. They used whatever they could find. They made potato peel pudding. They cooked a bread crust casserole. They baked turkey bone biscuits. And they even made a batch of flea bean dip with just a touch of garlic. And that evening, with some corn dogs they found in the freezer, out came the perfect turkey. It looks amazing. Great work, everyone. Are corn dogs made of real dogs? So, on the fourth Friday in November, everyone gave thanks. Even Spike was grateful in his own way. And of course, the food was to die for.